Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Looking for a complete NETGEAR Nighthawk RS90 setup tutorial? In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the NETGEAR Nighthawk RS90 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 router step by step. If you're looking for a simple and complete RS90 setup guide for fast and stable internet, this video is exactly for you. Basically, the NETGEAR Nighthawk RS90 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 router is a high-performance router designed for ultra-fast internet speeds and smooth connectivity. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup. First of all, place the RS90 router near your modem/ONT. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your modem. Plug the other end into the yellow Internet/WAN port on the RS90. Connect the power adapter to the router and turn it on. Wait for the power LED to become solid white, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for NETGEAR Nighthawk App, download and install the app. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Nighthawk app, sign in with your NETGEAR account, create one if you don't have it. Tap Set up a new router. Select Nighthawk router from the list. The app will automatically detect your RS90 router. The app checks your internet connection automatically. If your ISP uses automatic/DHCP, setup continues on its own. If your ISP requires PPPoE, enter. Username and password is provided by ISP. The app confirms when the internet connection is successful. Enter your Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Create a strong Wi-Fi password. The router may combine 2.4 GHz 5 GHz bands under one name, Smart Connect. Tap Continue to save settings. Create a secure admin password for router settings. Answer security questions for password recovery. Save and continue. The app checks for the latest firmware update. If available, tap Update. Do not unplug the router during the update. Router will reboot automatically. The router automatically enables Wi-Fi 7 features. Setup completed successfully. Your NETGEAR Nighthawk RS90 dual-band Wi-Fi 7 router is now fully set up using the Nighthawk app, delivering fast speeds, low latency, and strong coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.